Hey everybody, it's me Tony for Tony's Tidbits again, and I just got in the Pixel 4 XL, and you know, I have two kids, and they're very active, and what I need to do is to put on one of these tempered glass screens in order to protect the screen. My wife has a iPhone Plus, iPhone 8 Plus, and I've had to replace that twice already. She's on her second one and it's already cracked. So I felt it was going to be a pretty good investment to protect. So I got one of the Zagg invisible shield for the Pixel 4, and I didn't see any videos out there on YouTube on how to install one of these things. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And I may do it a little bit differently. You can choose what you will for in this video, but I should be able to install it without any bubbles, which is the goal. So here it is. I'm going to put this back on a tripod. You may see the tripod. Sorry about that. I don't have any production hardware. I really want this to be kind of raw. When it comes to that, here it is. This is the Zagg Invisible Shield Glass Elite VisionGuard Plus. Now this is sort of like their top of line tempered screen protector. I really chose this one basically because the Google Store had it as one of the accessories for the Pixel 4 XL. I looked at it. It has smudge-free, clean print technology, whatever the heck that means. Antibacterial screen protector, as you know, and everybody will admit, or may not admit, you do take your phones into the bathroom, which is disgusting, everybody. So definitely interested in this antibacterial screen protector because of that scenario. It does filter harmful blue light. I don't know how harmful it is, but it definitely causes eye strain, or known to cause eye strain. Also, at night, it helps you. I think these screens disrupt your sleep, so you can put it on one of those nighttime modes and everything. So I think this is going to be a nice one. It actually kind of has some marketing material out here, sort of like a book that tells you, hey, average adult spends over 9 hours of screen time per day, and etc. Has some like funky charts, really nice chart with about blue light and other stuff. So really cool. On the back, it has a pull tab here, so you can easily get into the actual product. But what I like to do is, I've already washed my hands, but I don't want any fingerprint smudges. I have my new Pixel 4 XL here. Have not even taken this off of the even out of the tray, really, if you saw my unboxing video. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to put on, these are just knee-through examination gloves, nothing very fancy. You can get it at your local store. This happens to be from Costco, which is, if you know me, I'm a frequent Costco shopper. You could even call it fanatic, if you will. But I don't want any fingerprints when it comes onto there. These, I put the screen protector on the iPhone Plus 8 before with these gloves, and they seem to be the thing to do. Also, if you don't have these already, is one of these microfiber cloths. These are great to just place down as a workbench. You don't want to get any of the nice finish of the Pixel 4 XL ruined or anything. So definitely something to look at when you're buying anything. Here is the Zagg screen protector. Hold it up close here, the Glass Elite VisionGuard Plus. This typically goes for about $49.99. Right now, if you're a first-time purchaser, they give you, I think, 15% off. That's what I did. So here's I guess another unboxing video here about the Zagg Invisible Shield Plus. Nothing else in the box, so that's cool. Got its little tray here. So put this on the side, and then we got you got the quick start guide. Tells you, number 1, clean your screen. Number 2, place the easy apply tray on your phone. 3, peel in place. 4, apply and finish. So let me read the instructions all the way before we start. It does tell that RTFM. So clean your screen. Set your phone on the mat provided. This will anchor your phone and keep it from sliding around during the installation process. Clean your screen thoroughly using the cleaning wipe, microfiber cloth, and dust removal sticker. Even if you have just taken the phone out of the box, the cleaning process prepares the screen to adhere to the invisible shield. 2, place the easy apply tray on your phone. So I have this. Oh, they give you this is pretty cool. So they give you this instead of using this microfiber mat. If you don't have one, they give you a mat to place your phone on, so it doesn't slide around or do that. So that's an extra nice thing to have, especially if you don't have one of these microfiber cloths. You can place your phone on here so that it does not slide around when you're applying the screen protector. Place the easy apply tray on your phone. These trays, from what I understand, are a godsend. You place it on the phone as such, and it has the arrows here at the top. It says top here, has arrows that says top. You can put it on your phone. It's easy to place the tempered glass screen protector here. Let's see. Place the easy apply tray on your phone. Set the easy apply tray on your phone, the end marked top with the arrow. Press down on the tray to secure it in place. Using the easy apply tray will ensure your glass elite screen protector goes on straight. Peel in place. Peel away the protective backing using the tab marked number 1. Do not touch the exposed surface. That's why we have these things. Use the easy apply tabs to place the invisible shield on the easy apply tray and onto your screen. And 4, apply. Press down on the center of the glass to start the adhesion process. Use your thumbs to smooth out any remaining bubbles. And finish. Use either of the tabs on your invisible shield to slowly lift away the protective layer. Then remove the easy apply tray from your phone. Use a microfiber cloth to press out any micro bubbles and wipe away fingerprints. So there we go. So we have that. We're going to finally take off the protector from the Pixel 4 XL. I have not even set up this phone. So even before we setting up the phone, we're going to apply the tempered glass screen protector, just because I also am known to be clumsy. So the cool thing about the Pixel 4 here is, look at that. It's actually already sort of has a film on it. And so I'm just going to gently pull that off. All right. We'll kind of wrap this around again. Put this back in the box. And then we're going to follow the instructions. RTFM, right? Clean the screen. Set your phone on the provided anchor and clean the screen. So here it is. Here's your dust removal sticker. Here's your little microfiber cloth. And then here's the wet wipe. So first, we're going to use the cleaning wipe, microcloth, and just clean the screen. Woo, and it is a nice screen. So just kind of clean the screen like this. Sure we got everything there. We're going to now use the wet wipe that they give you. Alcohol wet wipe, I believe. Put it on the screen. We'll just kind of unravel it here. Got a nice lemony smell to it, so maybe this is also something that you could wipe your fingertips with. But we're just going to ever so gently wipe the screen off, and just to make sure that we're working on a good clean surface. A little bit of an OCD here, but let me go again one more time. I'll put it in this like little tray here. We'll use this microfiber cloth again, and we'll just go over one more time and get it going. And I like this mat. It doesn't move. The phone doesn't move. Usually one motion like to the side would help. And again, see, I'm wearing these gloves, so I'm not worried about the oils from my finger or any type of oils or any type of fingerprints getting onto the screen itself. So what I'm going to do here is just kind of make sure it goes. And if you do one motion like this, any of the dust will go to the edge, hopefully off the phone, and we can get a clean press. All right, we'll put this on this little tray here again. Now the dust removal sticker, it says use this to remove fine particles after cleaning. So we're gonna go and we're just we'll do something like a motion like last time I did this. So there we go. Whoa. Okay. What you want to do is try to make sure that you're getting pretty much every area of the phone. See, in fact, you could probably, if you're if you're a little bit more neurotic, you can sort of try to gauge like the surface area of the phone, and just kind of like pat down and remove, pat down, remove, pat down, remove, pat down, remove. And that way we are ensured that we have all the areas. I did pick up some dust here, so definitely even if it's out of the phone, I would recommend that you go ahead and do that. What we're going to do is place this easy apply tray on the phone as advised. So there it is. Goes on pretty easily, goes on pretty form-fitting, if you will. We're going to take this tempered screen glass protector, and it has number 1 here. It says peel this layer first, avoid touching the adhesive. So what we're going to do is hold it on its side here. So here's the glass itself, and wait a second here. It says peel this first. Interesting. Oh, okay. So one thing to note that it's not a sticker. I've used some other ones that are actually like a sticker here. This is actually a very hard surface. So it's almost like a plastic card that you're gonna have to kind of like take out. But see, there it is. And then so what we'll do is kind of gently remove this glass protector from it. It's kind of a little bit difficult to take off, but I'm sure it's because of the adhesive there. So what we do here is put this on the side, and then you apply it. So basically, there's guides to place this. You can pretty much no-brainer get it to the right spot. And so now that it has applied, you can kind of press it in the middle, and voila! If you can see that, the actual adhesive and the screen protector is taking shape here. And there's some bubbles, not a problem. Don't be alarmed. You could probably use the edge of this and try to smoothen it out, but after a few hours, it will basically, all the bubbles will disappear. So what we'll do here is try to move this out there. We can take this off and start to work our way down using this here. There we go. There we go. And you want to do this. You want to do this while the other protective screen is on, so you're not you're not actually touching the actual screen protector, but you're using the outside, if you will, of it. So almost there. Get the top done here, and then we'll finish these here, pressing ever so lightly, I guess. Using a little bit of force, should be okay, you know. This side has one more. Let's get that going. Get that gone. Get that gone. Okay. And then we got a little bit more. I'm gonna a couple bubbles here. Okay. And we'll work away here. Move the phone around. Getting there, finishing this up. If you can just move that more towards the edge of the screen, these bubbles should work. All right, I think we're there. We are there. All right, and the last part of it is basically just to lift up the screen protector off. There's a couple more bubbles, so let me try to get the rest of this out, and I will be right back here. All right, so I think I got most of the bubbles out. They'll go away in a few hours. And basically what you're gonna do from this point on is to pull whatever tab and just lightly lift up. And now you have your screen protector applied. I'll put that here. And here we go, the Pixel 4 XL, the Zagg Invisible Shield. We got, I would recommend that I have the glossy back. Before you put it on here, probably put a microfiber cloth on it so that you can kind of wipe off. But easily done, not a problem. I have the Pixel 4 XL case as well, so we'll be applying that at a later time after I insert that SIM. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like this. Please like this video if you enjoyed the content, and subscribe if you want to know a little bit more about Tony's Tidbits. Until next time, thank you.